Hello everyone, good day to all. My name is Amit Sangwan and my YouTube channel is Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. Okay, in today's video we will see how to apply online DCE. It can be a chemical DCE, it can be a gas DCE, or it can be a oil DCE. It can be for operational level or it can be for management level. So the first step is, what we need to know is the eligibility required for getting a DCE. For getting an advanced DCE, that management level DCE, you need to have at least 3 months of sailing experience on the respective tanker vessel. If it is for oil tanker, then you need to have a 3-month sailing experience on the oil tanker in the last 5 years. So this is your sailing eligibility which is required. Then the documents required will be, you must have a CDC, then you must have modular courses, that is advanced firefighting, fire prevention and firefighting, or TASCO if it is for advanced level DC, or OTF if it is for a operational level DCE. Or refresher courses were required. Refresher courses are required only for AFF and FPFF. Then an old DCE, if you are applying for the renewal of the DCE. If it is a new DCE, then you don't need this old DCE. Then you need to have a scanned photo as per the DG guidelines, then a sea-time letter issued from a RPSL company stating the name of the cargoes which you have carried on your last sailing, then a scanned signature as per DG guidelines, and the fees for applying for DCE is 4,500 rupees. Now this is the requirement for the DCE, the documents and the eligibility. To apply for the DCE, you open this site www.dgshipping.gov.in. This website you have to open. Once you open this website, this screen will appear on your laptop screen. Then you go to e-governance. When you go to e-governance, you click Seafarers registration. On e-governance, when you click Seafarers registration, this window will open. Here you are going to put your user ID, which is normally your indoors number, and a password, which is normally your indoors number followed by 1, but if you have changed the password, then it will be a new password which you have changed. So you enter your user ID and your password. Once you enter your user ID and password, this screen will open, you will be logged in. Then you have to go to this column, this line, DCE, endorsement and GMDSS operator. So you click here, DC endorsement or GMDSS radio operator. When you click here, this screen will open. When this screen is open, the options are given which DC you want to apply, whether it is application for DC endorsement renewal or application for DC endorsement for advanced level. So whether your DC is for renewal or whether you are applying for DC for advanced level, or whether if it is for GMDSS GOC endorsement, then you have to click here. But in this case, since we are learning how to apply for DCE, we will click either of these two depending on your requirement, either endorsement or renewal, or endorsement or renewal, either basic level or advanced level. So basic level is level 1 and advanced level is level 2. So let's assume that we are going to apply renewal DC for advanced level. So we click here. So once we click here, this window will open. Once this window is open, the first window is for your personal details, with the columns which are colored blue will already be filled up by information from your indoors. So this information cannot be changed, but the information down you have to fill it, like which office you want to apply. When you select here, you will either get Mumbai MMD, Delhi MMD, Kolkata MMD, or Chennai MMD. So you can select that here. You select your rank here, you put your grade here, you put even your COC issued, existing DC endorsement number and existing DC endorsement issue date, then your application type, whether it is a new DC or whether it is a renewal DC, then your tanker type, whether it is oil tanker, gas tanker, chemical tanker, your COC number, then a DC endorsement date, the old DC endorsement date, and the DC expiry date. Once you fill in this column, you will go to the second column, which is the address. So when you click on the address, or when you click on continue here, this window will open. So you fill all your details here: house number, street, village, district, state, pin code, and your mode of certificate. So you click here by post, because then it will come by post, and then you put your email address and your mobile number here. After that you press continue. Once you press continue, you will go to the third column, which is the modular courses. Once you go to the modular courses, this window will appear. So in this you have to fill the details for advanced training in firefighting, refresher training for advanced training in firefighting, advanced training for oil tanker cargo operations, TASCO. Since we have assumed that we are going to apply for a DC, renewable DC for advanced level, this will be required. If you have clicked for basic level, then it will be AFF and refresher in AFF and OTF. Once you have done this, you press continue, and you will go on the next window, that is the sea service details. When you go on the sea service details, you press your name of the filled all the details here: name of the vessel, port of registry, rank served, from date, sign on date, sign off date, rank actually held, and type of cargo carried. And then you press this, click to add sea service. Then you are supposed to have at least 3 months of sailing or sea service on the relevant tanker, and fill in the same details what is filled in your sea time letter issued by the company. Once you do this, you click to add sea service, then you go to the next column, fees details. When you go to the fees details, this window will appear. The fees will be 4,500, and then you see this window, and then you press continue. When you press continue, you will go to the next column, which is the attached documents. The attached documents which will be required will be scanned copy of your online application. So what you have filled in will be your application, which you can later print out, take a printout. Then a passport size as per the passport size photograph as per the DG requirements. And scan signature, scan modular course certificates, certificate of the company that should mention the name of the oil, chemical, gas cargo carried along with the grade, and self-attested scan copy of a CDC booklet. Okay, and the pages showing the relevant sea services. These are the documents required. You click here, I agree, and that's it. You just finish it here, and then leave it like this. So you have already applied. When you fill in all the details, you will get this continue button here. When you press that continue button, you will get an option for application. That application, if you click on that, you can take a printout of that application. Once you've taken that printout of the application, you go back to the window. You press home. When you press home, then you go back again, and you go to this column, pay COC and COP fees, upload documents, and view status. When you click this, a window will open where you will be able to pay the fees. The fees will be 4,500. Once you have paid the fees, this window will open, and you will be able to upload the documents. In this column, you will get an option, upload documents. When you click on the upload documents, you can browse from your folder where you have kept the scanned documents, and you can upload it here. So serial number will come, your application date will come, application number will come, application type will come. This will be automatic, taken from your application, and this column you can upload the documents. Once you upload the documents, you press submit. Once you press submit, your DC application is completed. So this is the entire procedure for applying for online DCE. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you find it useful, please subscribe my channel Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. I'll be making more videos, more informational videos on shipping, merchant navy, and documentation, and I hope that this video will help you. I have made other small videos also to guide people on doing online courses, and small other informational videos for youngsters and students who are interested in merchant navy. This video is particularly for people who are already sailing in merchant navy and who need some kind of a guidelines on applying the DCA. Please subscribe to my channel, motivate me, and my channel name is Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you very much.